Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. This card is using the Brewed dies from the little bundle, the Brewed for You and the dies. Not using, well I'm using this little stamp here for the froth of the ale. But I've used the dies this time, the tankard and the one with the 3 rectangles to cut out the glass and the inside. And what I like about it is you get the little detail on your die as well, so you get the little bubbles. It's really cute. So let's get started. So I'm using the note cards today, so these come in a pack of 20 I think, and they come with note cards and the envelopes as well to match. So let's just fold that and burnish it so it's nice and crisp, and then we can layer up our layers. We've got soft, no we haven't, we've got smoky slate for this one. So smoky slate first as a layer, and then I've got some of the new DSP, and this colour is Starry Sky, which is a blue. I'm really pleased with these colours because there's 3 blues in there. This one is Starry Sky. This one I've used the stripy paper. This one I'm going to use the dots. So they're both double-sided, so you can choose which way round you want them. So I'll go for dots this time on this one. And then the tankard is, I've also cut it out in smoky slate, as I said, and the 3 like rectangle bits that go over the top. And then this bit is it's got the little detail of the bubbles on. So I'm going to glue that on. Glue that on first, and then that over the top. It just sort of just fits, obviously, but I want to make sure I've got my froth as well going just behind. So what I will do is I will glue my tankard, tiny bits of glue so it doesn't smush everywhere, and then before I press it down hard at the top, I want to get my froth in place. So I'm going to just eye it up where it's gonna go, stick that bit down, and then before I stick my top bit firmly, I'm just going to pop that just behind so you get the nice froth behind. Okay, so that's that. And then for the sentiment, I've actually gone for this stamp set, which is Nature's Prints, and I've gone for Best Wishes. And it actually comes as Best Wishes and Happy Thoughts, but I actually just wanted the Best Wishes, so I'll just show you how I did that. So I've mounted up my stamp Best Wishes and Happy Thoughts, and then just grab a post-it. You can use a post-it to stick over the top, or grab a bit of washi tape. I'm going to grab some washi tape, and I'm just going to corner that end so it goes, I'll show you up close in a second. I'm just going to stick that over the top, hopefully you can see that, and then it's masking off all the bit that I don't want, so and Happy Thoughts. So all I'm left with is this bit here, Best Wishes. So you ink it up, grab a bit of card, and then you ink it up, and then obviously remember then don't ink it there because you'll get that smudge of blue, so peel that off before you then stamp it. Chuck that away in the bin, thank you. And then you don't get the and happy thoughts. So that's a way of sort of masking if you don't want a word. And then obviously just cut it out. I've done that for time, but you can just cut that out, and then it's a case of sticking that on. You could dimensional it if you want, or you could I'm just going to keep it flat actually for this one, and then glue that on. Oops. Squish it over a bit. There we go. Easy peasy. Hope you like that. There we go. Really cute again. Hope you like that. Thanks for joining me today. Give it a like if you liked it, and also subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.